welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. Hey. All right, in this video I will be talking about tomatoes. Tomatoes is very good for your skin. I personally never knew that, and like when I found out that tomatoes are actually amazing for your skin, I said, why not try it? You can use it to reduce pores and blackheads. Yes, you can. It does the work. It's a magic thing. And plus, you know, it's a natural ingredient. It's natural. It's natural. Like, yo, it's natural. So what you do, you need to make sure that your face is clean. It is very important to make sure your face is clean. You cannot use this, honey, if your face is dirty. It does not work like that. No, it does not. So make sure your face is clean. Make sure you have washed it. You have used your best cleanser to clean your face. Number one. Then number two, after you're done washing, washing your face. Now, you're gonna take this tomato and you're just gonna go gently, just like that, guys. When I tell y'all that this works magic, it does. So you're just gonna rub it gently, just rub it. And you need the juice. That's all you need. Guys, tomato is so good for your skin. And that is it. That's it. Now I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse my face with cold water. And just apply a moisturizer, and that's it. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped someone with their skin. And again, have a great day. Thank you. God bless.